Alright, resuming, and from this level passed we will put the value. So this is level passed, and here we'll simply get uh, get the player preferences value, which was this. Get int. int or simply set this to player prefs set int. This will be in the parentheses like this, and now we'll in the first thing it will be like this, and here we'll simply put the name, oops, which was levels cleared. So now if the level clears, it will set the current value to +1, or +1 isn't right because it will simply increment the current level which is in progress, and will add this. So what this means is this L++ will be in action. So if we do like this and L++, or to further check it, if L that is the value is less than what is in, if L is less than so what this means is that if the level cleared isn't bigger than the, so in case the player is clearing the easy level and hoping to unlock the higher level, then this will be checked through this. So if player preferences dot get int levels cleared, and so if the current level is 0, which is from here, and levels cleared, if it's null then it will be 0. So if it's 0 then it will simply save it. So if 1 is less than 1, or if 1 is equal to 1, then it will set it like this, that is, it should be able to save. So now if we can simply copy this and uncheck it, and now if we can play it, to see what happens. Let's play. So now the level was cleared, and if we saved it? No, we didn't saved it, so we will save it, and now we'll play it again. Unfortunately we weren't able to see the progress because We didn't saved. So let's play again. So now we were able to kill, and as you can see in the levels cleared, we got the new value, which is 1, which isn't what we wanted. We wanted one value to be 1, because now what will happen is, if we can go back to our main screen level selection, which is for the level 2, it still shows unlocked locked. So what this means is that the L++, even though we put the value, it didn't. So int L is equal to L is equal to L plus 1, and we'll put the L here. So L is already declared, so we will type level past index, let's call it like this, copy it and paste it. So usually what happens is L++ takes some time, that is, it won't be executed on the same line or something, which is the condition. So if you can read what does plus plus do, you will have a better idea. It the initialize the new value takes in effect from the next line or so. But again, I'm not really sure about this part. What which line plus plus makes the change takes the starts to take in action. So now when we play, hopefully levels cleared will be +1. So now all we have to do is aim better, and we were able to kill him. And it shows nice start and levels cleared went to 1, which is exactly what we wanted. Yep. And now if we can simply restart the level and uncheck this value and start again, so to make sure that we have uh, we have been able to do it rightly. Also, another thing we notice is that when we pressed restart, the globals didn't work well. So that is something we have to take in notice, and we'll do that. So let's go here, tap to start again. Progress is fine. And here enemies dies, and now as you can see nice start shows up, levels cleared is equal to 1 shows up, and that is exactly what we wanted. But another thing that we noticed is that in case someone presses level selection and choose the level 1 here again, these values are still fine. But if say the user he has been levels cleared is already 1 and he's trying to clear the level that he's already cleared before, then the progress bar shouldn't update. Here the enemies dies and progress should turn 1. Progress turned 1 and level value remains the same, and now we press restart level. We pressed restart level and yep, seems fine. Except the spawn mechanism didn't work when we restarted again. But if we went back to the level selection and press play, respawn was working fine. So what this means is that uh, in the game manager, and when the globals are assigned, that is these values, uh, so when the reload is pressed, then even though that this value is provided and this restarts the scene, so this is the value and then it will restart the screen. Okay, so here we need to adjust the values here to this one, so we can simply make a method here, public void reset statics, reset static, or initialize static, like this, initialize singletons globals, like this, and simply put all of this here, cut, paste, and call it like this. And then head over to this method and we can paste it, and in the next tutorial we can see how we can further improve from here.